फाटी जाल्ल्या संसदेतल्या शियाळ्या अधिवेशनात नव्या संसद भवनात अनवळखी लोकांनी दुवाराच्या गंडेल खासदारांचेर मारिल्ले देखून संसदेतल्या सुरक्षा व्यवस्थापनाचेर व्हडलो प्रश्न निर्माण जाल्लो। हाचो दोळो घेत गोंय विधानसभेतय अधिवेशना वेळार सुरक्षा वाडोवपाची गरज आसा असो काय प्रश्न आमदाराक विचारलो। सुरक्षा एक व्हडली चिंता जावन रावला, देखून सरकारान फक्त विधानसभेतच न्हय हेर सरकारी संस्थांनी सुरक्षा वाडोवपाची गरज आसा अशें काँग्रेसीचो आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरान सांगले। जाल्यार खुबशे लोक स्वता हजेरी लावन अधिवेशनाचे काम पळोवपाक विधानसभेत येतात, तांची खरसाणीन तपासणी जावप गरजेचे अशें भाजपाचो आमदार मायकल लोबन सांगले। Parliament attacks where the smoke grenades were thrown during the proceedings. Do you think the Goa government or the speaker should take some precautionary or security measures during the upcoming winter session?
See, security has become now a major concern across nations, and terror has no color, no religion, and we never know what are the issues which come up by these people. Sometimes even an innocent prank can prove to be fatal, and therefore I think that security needs to be beefed up, not simply in the assembly but even government installations and the government institutions, so as to make sure that people don't come and create a chaos. You would have seen somewhere in Europe, I think in some council, one councillor himself came and he exploded some devices there, and many people were killed and injured. So I think we need to be cautious, and Speaker has already said that he is going to tighten up these measures, and it's a welcome step because we need it, because finally when we go there we also need to be secure, so that we don't have someone hurling things at us or trying to injure us or our colleagues or even the staff over there.
Yes, Michael Baba, Parliamentan ब्रीज जालो तो आतां आमचे विंटर सेशन येता गोंयचे, तुका दिसता सिक्युरिटी मेजर्स वाडोवची आहा म्हणून हांगासर?
Goa being a small state, and during the session a lot of people want to come and watch the session live. Definitely security wise Goa police should take cognizance of this, what has happened in the parliament, and nothing like this should happen in the within the when the session is on in the Goa State Legislative Assembly. I feel that more security measures needs to be taken, more precautions needs to be taken, and thorough check should be done when you are entering the Goa State Legislative Assembly during the session.
जाल्यार सभापतीन विधानसभा सुरक्षेबाबतची दखल घेतल्या। हालींच सभापतीन पोलीस, जिल्लोधिकारी आणि हेर खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यांची बसका घेऊन विधानसभेच्या सुरक्षेबाबत चर्चा केली। संसदेत जाल्ल्या हल्ल्याचो धडो घेत आम्ही येता त्या अधिवेशनात सुरक्षा बरीच वाडयतले अशें सभापती रमेश तवडकरान सांगले।
ओके, सो सर तुम्ही सिक्युरिटी रिव्ह्यू मीटिंग घेतली अपकमिंग असेंब्ली इलेक्शनाक लागून, कितें स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट केले सिक्युरिटीक लागून?
स्पेशल आमकां टीम आमी आपयल्ली आसा, तातूंतल्यान फाल्यां 2 दिसां भितर रिपोर्ट येतलो, म्हणजे रिपोर्ट कितें करपाक जाय एडिशनल आसा ते फुडल्या 2 दिसां भितर 27-28 पर्यंत जे आसा ताचो स्ट्रक्चर जाता लायता। पूण सेक्रेटरी दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान आमकां दिसतालें की मातशें थोडी स्ट्रेंथन आमकां करपाची आवश्यकता आसा, कारण केन्ना कितें जाय तें सांगपाक जाय।
पार्लमेंट विशयाचेर
ताजो विशय धरून जे आसा कांय गजाली खंयची गजाल प्रॅक्टिकल आसा।
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर पणजेच्यान समीप नार्वेकार।